What's up, y'all? Uh, in case y'all wondering where I've been for the last week, cause I ain't made no comments on nobody's videos, and I ain't made a video. Uh, I downloaded HBO earlier this week to get ready for Game of Thrones to watch the last season, and I've been. It's got a lot of good movies on it right now, so I've been watching them all. So that took all my time. But anyway, this video is mainly directed towards Jackrich films. I just got through watching a video of his that was a live stream, and he had a butterfly knife and he was flipping it all around his fingers, and it was a bottle opener like a trainer. But anyway, I made the comment that I can't do that. Now, I can do a lot of stuff with a lot of weapons, but I can't do that with butterfly knives. And he said he understands how that goes. And I have one butterfly knife. I found it at a gas station. And with this knife, there's no way you can understand how it goes. Because my butterfly knife is also a trench knife. This thing gets in the way. These serrations here get in the way. So I really can't flip it all around. Plus it's heavy as hell. Made in China, 440 stainless steel, no manufacturer, just a gas station find. But I thought it was cool as hell. Butterfly knives were never really a choice knife for me. I don't know, I just never really got into them. But I do like trench knives. So I like them with the knuckle duster on them. Grab some paper. I'll be right back. Came that sharp. Also, guess I might as well quick little durability test. I like that knife just about instantly whenever I saw it sitting there in the little cabinet thing. But yeah, I can't do all the flippity flip with these things because the only knife the only butterfly knife I've ever had is this one, and well, he ain't really gonna be doing no tricks with this. That's it. I'll see you on the next one.